Philippine Air Force is currently in the process of acquiring 8 Bell-412 EPI helicopters as part of the additional utility helicopter acquisition project, as mentioned in a recent update. The Department of Budget and Management has allocated a substantial amount of over 958 million pesos to fund the acquisition of these helicopters. This acquisition aims to bolster the capabilities of the Philippine Air Force, enhancing the nation's aerial defense and disaster response capabilities. The Bell-412 EPI combat utility helicopters are well known for their exceptional performance in combat utility tasks and human assistance disaster response operations. Their swift mobility and advanced search and rescue capabilities have been instrumental in saving lives during natural calamities and humanitarian crises. Moreover, these helicopters will serve as the second main combat utility helicopter of the Philippine Air Force, providing an alternative model in case the Sikorsky S-70I Black Hawk combat utility helicopter are grounded for safety or other reasons. The addition of the Bell-412 EPI helicopters will significantly increase the fleet size, enabling the Air Force to conduct multiple missions simultaneously, while ensuring it remains at the forefront of aerial capabilities in the region. Once delivered, the Philippine Air Force will have a total of 13 Bell-412 helicopters as combat utility helicopters, further strengthening its capabilities. This reflects the government's commitment to modernizing its military assets and ensuring national security. With an improved fleet and modern features, the Philippine Air Force will be better equipped to protect its territorial integrity and respond effectively to emergencies.